Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are must be fine and staying at home only. As we know that the whole world is suffering from the coronavirus pandemic, and as we can see, there are many countries that is like USA, Spain, Italy, France, and most of the European countries are suffered so badly, and we can see the spreading of the coronavirus in India as well. So now today what we are doing an activity based teaching, and so we are having some facts in front of you like the total cases in India, then active cases, recovered and diseased, and then we have some state wise cases. So first of all we have to look these cases, as it is good for us to get the knowledge that what is happening in India and how much it is spreading day by day, so that it will be helpful for every one of us. These are the stats for the India, you can say. And now let's merge it with our activity. Let's merge the activity with our teaching. And now today we will start the topic that is exponents and powers. As you all know that we have already done and how we can merge our activity into the topic that is exponents and powers. And before that सब अच्छे से रहिए, आराम से रहिए, कोई जंक फूड ना खाने की कोशिश करिए, घर में बिल्कुल हेल्दी डाइट लीजिए, इम्यूनिटी अपनी सब स्ट्रांग करिए, अवॉइड ईटिंग और हैविंग द कोल्ड थिंग्स, और अपना सब घर में ही रहिए, सेफ रहिए, यूज सैनिटाइजर एंड मास्क if in case of emergency if you want to go out. So now let's start the activity on COVID-19, and that is the exponents and powers. Now it is given in front of you. The total number of cases in India are 23,500, then active cases 17,500, recovered 5,300, diseased that is 700, and we have written some of the state-wise cases as well. Like in Maharashtra there are around 6,000 cases, Gujarat around 2,500, Delhi 2,300 cases, Rajasthan around 2,000 cases, and you can say that Bihar and UP also consist of 2,000 cases, and Haryana, where you are living, that consists of 200 cases, and in total we have 15,000 cases. Here it is total. Total that is 15,000 cases. So what we have to do, we just have to write all these in the standard form, as we have already studied in the exponents and powers how to write in the standard form, and we have to write all these in a standard form one by one. So let's see first. Here this is exponents and powers. First of all we will write total cases. Total cases are 23,500. Then active cases. Active cases means those are still active, means those are still suffering from the coronavirus, that is 17,500. Then recovered, that is 5,300. Diseased, 700. Then state wise we have written first Maharashtra, (6,000), Gujarat, 2,500, Delhi 2,300, Rajasthan 2,000, Bihar plus UP. Bihar and Uttar Pradesh are having 2,000 cases, and then Haryana, that is 200. Last total we are having 15,000 of the various of the few of the states that we have discussed. So now what we have to do, basically we have to write all these figures, all these numeric values in the standard form, as we have already done in the chapter exponents and पावर्स। अब स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में कैसे लिखते हैं, किसी को कोई डाउट है तो वो आपका क्लियर हो जाएगा कि स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में कैसे लिखते हैं। तो सबसे पहले देखिए 23,500। सो हाउ कैन वी राइट इट इन द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म? वी विल राइट इट एज 235 into 10 raised to the power 2, right, or 2.35. What we have done here, we have so here what we have done, we have put the decimal at the two places, so means 2 will more to 10 raised to the power will be added, so 10 raised to the power 2 plus 2, that makes 10 raised to the power 4. Similarly 17500, so 1.75 into 10 raised to the power 4, 5.3 into 10 raised to the power 3, 7 multiply 10 raised to the power 2, 6 multiply 10 raised to the power 3. Here 2500 first can be written as 25 into 10 raised to the power 2, or then we have also to put the decimal because we have to write in the standard form. So how will we write in the standard form? 2.5 multiply 10 raised to the power 3. Similarly 2.3 into 10 raised to the power 3, 2 multiply 10 raised to the power 3, 2 multiply 10 raised to the power 3, 2 multiply 10 raised to the power, here it is 2. And 15,000 can be written as 15 into 10 की power 3 or 1.5 multiply 10 raised to the power 4. So see 23,500, 2.35 10 raised to the power 4, 17,500, 1.75 10 raised to the power 4, 5,300 is 5.3 10 raised to the power 3, 700 is 7 into 10 raised to the power 2, 6,000 6 into 10 raised to the power 3, 2,500 2.5 10 raised to the power 3, 2,300 is 2.3 10 raised to the power 3, 2,000 is 2 into 10 raised to the power 3, again 2,000 2 into 10 raised to the power 3, 200 is 2 into 10 raised to the power 2, and the total cases were 15,000 in the few states, that is 15 into 10 raised to the power 3, or you can say if you have put up one decimal means your exponent will increase by 1, which is base of 10. The base is 10 and the exponent will increase by 1. The number of decimals we put, we will increase the exponent by that number. So these are the certain things, or you can say certain figures that we have written in the standard form, as we have already done in the exponents and the power. So what are the basically, there are two important things in the exponent power. First, the law of exponents. There are 5 different laws of exponents, and then the second exercise is based on the standard form, how to write, how can we write in the standard form. So like you have seen that we have written 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. In the various cases we have written it in the standard form. So here we have, you can say that we have written the standard form. So now what you have to do, again I am showing you the stats. So this is your homework as well, and it will be very interesting to see how creative you are. What you have to do, you have to make at least 2 questions on this chapter, that is exponents and power only, from the given data. What you have to do, you have to make at least 2 questions. सिर्फ एक्सपोनेंट्स एंड पावर्स के ही चैप्टर से आपको 2 क्वेश्चन बनाने हैं, और आपको मेरे को 2 क्वेश्चन की पिक सेंड करनी है सॉल्यूशन के साथ. सो आई विल बी वेटिंग फॉर योर रिप्लाइज. So, and as you all know that our syllabus is almost covered up and we are on the aptitude, so you have to revise the syllabus again and again. We will start the revision also again. So students, what you have to do right now, first of all, see the standard form. This is the standard form, how we have written in the standard form. And after the standard form, see, this is the facts and the figures, the statistics you are having in front of you, and you have to make at least 2 questions on this chapter, that is exponents and powers. So students, stay safe and God bless you all. Thank you.